Welcome, in front of me I have iPhone 13 and also Spigen Rugged Armor protective case. And today I'm going to make a quick overview and unboxing of this case. So let's quickly open it. As you can see in this foil we can find our case. Let's put it back and the box of this case looks like that. Oh, nothing interesting here, honestly. So put it right here. Okay, so let's grab our case. Okay, so it's made of the thick rubber, definitely. It's flexible, as you can see. Let's take a look how it looks on the phone. Okay, we can easily put it on. There is no any problem. We got a good access to this switcher to enable or disable silent mode. Also good access to the lightning port. Take a look on the buttons. As you can see, buttons works fine. Yeah, there's no any problem. I think the quality is really nice. It's well made, honestly. Here we have the cutout for the Apple logo, but honestly I think that in this kind of the cases, I mean the protective cases, it will be definitely better if this part is also covered. You know, I don't like this in this kind of the protection. And by the way, when you take a look right here, it comes over our cameras. So when you put your phone like that on the flat surface, it will not scratch, so we don't have to worry about that. And the same when you take a look on the screen, it goes a little bit above the screen. And I put on this display tempered glass, so there is additional layer here. So the same like on the cameras, when you put it for your phone like that, it's not going to be scratched. So that's very nice and useful features that we can find right here. And the case feels really nice in the hand. There is nice grip. It's not, I mean, I feel like it's not going to slip in my hand. That's definitely better than if you compare with this normal silicone cases, with these cheap cases. And this case is also made, as I said, with rubber, so it's not covered with paint. So you know, this black color will not rub off. And that's something happens in the cheapest cases. And on the Spigen case, on the Spigen website, we can also find the information that this case supports wireless charging, and we can check it right now. So here I have the wireless charger. Let me just unlock the phone. Let's take a look. Oh, let me show you, because I just covered battery status. As you can see, in this case, we can charge our smartphone wirelessly. So that's nice. And the case cost about $25. I think that's a good price because the quality is really nice. Honestly, I like this one more than this Urban Armor Gear Plasma. For me, this one feels better in the hand. And this one is too tanky, honestly. And we can find here plastic. That's not that good. I prefer the full rubber cases. So I think that's all. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and also leave the thumbs up under this video. So yeah, that's all. Bye.